my name is Brittany Boykin. I'm the Assistant General Manager here at Dental Creations. Today I'd like to show you one of our wonder products, the Shade Wand. The Shade Wand is a handheld, rechargeable, cordless LED shade matching light. It's used to get the perfect light to the patient's mouth. The Shade Wand uses a 5500 Kelvin LED light, which is considered the perfect light. In fact, this light is what is available outside from noon to 2 p.m. This is the ideal light for matching shades in your patient's mouth. 5500 Kelvin LED light will eliminate any light sources from outside of the oral cavity. From your bib to your wall colors, anything in the room can affect the shade match. There is no warm-up time required, and it pays for itself in one remake. This Shade Wand is the best on the market. It's a lot cheaper than any other versions. These range from $300 to $1,800 normally. Ours is only $129.99. Cheap enough to put one by every chair in your office. The way that it works is there's a power button on top. All you do is click it on and it gives you the perfect light. There's 3 different light settings. If you don't need super bright light, you can change it to a lesser light and then back to the bright. And it turns off with one easy click. It's rechargeable just like your phone. There's a charger port right here. Plug it in, charge it overnight, and it's ready for a full day's use the next day. If you want to give your patients the perfect shade match, order your Shade Wand today at www.dentalcreationsltd.com.